Welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my monsoon hair care routine. Like you can see, my hair has its own mood and phase all around, and during monsoons, it's much difficult to make this hair manageable, and there's a lot of dryness in my hair, there's a lot of frizziness, and at the same time, do not even ask me about the hair fall. It is unbelievable. Today I'm going to share with you guys my monsoon hair care routine, and I'm going to use two products. The first product that I have is from Pilgrim. This is their Secrets of Jeju Island, Korea. It is their Redensil and again advanced hair growth serum. This has a green tea and it is suitable for all hair types. So what I like to do with the hair serum is I take like a big pump, and this pump comes completely filled, and I just drop it on my hair. Go in with the massage, go in with the fingertips and massage it really well. This advanced hair growth serum has been formulated with natural ingredients that proven by science to stop hair fall. It also promotes new hair growth. It also maintains the hair at optimal health, thus reducing breakage. So let me quickly talk about Redensil as a product. The Redensil in this is a breakthrough ingredient that works by acting upon the hair follicles to induce new hair growth. Its regenerative properties prevent alopecia and supporting the growth cycle. Now talking about the second ingredient, anagen. Now anagen is derived from a pea sprout extract that stimulates new hair growth, and it prolongs the life cycle of the hair. The serum is so lightweight. Zinc and green tea extract conditions and strengthens the hair, and it is formulated as a very lightweight leave-on treatment. This serum is absorbed very quickly and leaves the scalp soothed and comfortable. Alright, now this is how I've applied the serum. This is the Advanced Hair Growth Serum by Pilgrim, and I literally apply it on the root of my hair, and I give it like a good massage. The best thing to do is to like leave it overnight, and it is so lightweight, it just feels like water. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how it feels right over here. It's so lightweight, it's so lightweight, it just feels like water on your skin, and it gives a little bit of a cooling effect on your scalp. So I literally do this, I leave it overnight. Once we're done with the serum application, the next step I like to do is to have like a good shower. I use a sulfate-free shampoo, and then I do the hair mask. I never skip a hair mask during the monsoon seasons because it gives a little bit of nourishment. And the mask that I have is again from Pilgrim. This is their argan oil hair mask. It has a white lotus and camellia. I really love the smell of this. This is so beautiful. It smells lovely. It smells so good. It has a little bit of fragrance that leaves my hair a much more softer, and you know, smells amazing. It comes with its own wooden spoon as well, so you can like either use your hands or your spoon. Now that my hair is all shampooed and clean, I like to use the Pilgrim's argan oil hair mask. So I just scoop it like this, take like a good considerable amount, and then I apply it from a root to tip. That is literally what I do. I do not do anything extra to my hair. The argan oil hair mask intensely hydrates, locks in moisture, and gives hair a silky perfection. It is enhanced with white lotus and camellia that can repair and strengthen even the most severely damaged strands.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.
Alright, now that I'm done with the mask, what I like to do is I just like to like leave it like this for like 5 to 10 minutes. I will quickly go shower and be right back. Alrighty, this is my hair right after the shower. Look at how shiny my hair looks. It's so beautiful. There's no frizz at all, and it looks beautiful and it smells amazing. I really love how my hair feels, and kudos to both of these products. These are amazing. I love them so much. Also, Pilgrim is a plastic positive brand. At the same time, all of these products are made in India. They're cruelty-free, PETA certified. They're suitable for all skin and hair types. But that is all for the video. I will leave all the details down in the description box down below. Go check it out, give it a shot. These are amazing, and I love these and I swear by these. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I hope it never ends. This being more than